hills, the city of mountains, and the city of caves.
City of?
Hills sa Bohol. Although, yan dahilan na you have identity kasi not all hills tinawag na Chicory Hills. Diba? May mga tapos may mga maliwanag din mamaya na bakit ano bang kaibahan na may mga closer na mga hills, pero bakit hindi sila the same? Bakit hindi sila pareha, di ba? Unang-una, paano natin malalaman na that is included sa Chicory Hills? They are separate each other. Tapos walang kahoy, walang puno na nabuhay.
Kaya Chocolate Hills.
Just grass na yan eh.
Grass lang.
Kasi yung grass na yan, during only by summer time, like now.
Ba't kaya walang puno, ano?
Aabutin tayo dyan, sir.
Mamaya, sige, tuloy.
Ina-advance mo eh.
Sige.
Help me God.
Okay.
So, yan, walang puno. Grass lang yun.
Grass.
And that grasses, during by summer, only,
Summer.
yan yung magda-dry, magda-brown. And lalo na pag yung summer, yung init, it takes long. Ilang, like yan nangyari ngayon, ilang
3 months, gano'n.
na. So from dry, they are going to burn by the heat of the sunlight.
Sunlight, yeah.
Yung tinawag na grass fire.
Grass fire.
So masusunog sila. Ngayon, after nilang masunog, yung kulay ng hills, not just brown, but dark.
Dark. Chocolate.
So, like for example, you are in the higher area ba? Sakay ka ng like
helicopter
ba?
Like saucer.
Sakay ka ng wales.
Wales,
And then, pagtang ka,
uso ba rito yun?
Ang biti ni Kuya.
and you are looking down.
Looking down.
So, that is...
Sakay ka na red carpet.
Looks like... red carpet. Salamat sa dagdagan mo yung kawagan ko. So, pagtingin mo sa baba, again, looks like a small chocolate pieces. Like a Hershey's, Toblerone, or
Toblerone.
ganyan.
Yan.
Mocha. So, ganyan yung that's the reason na it become famous ngayon. Kasi
Chocolate
that is
Hills.
former Bohol Hills eh.
Bohol Hills.
Yes. So, yung nagbibinyag po dyan, mga foreigner, Amerikano. Kasi sila yung unang nagka-experience
sumakay ng helicopter.
Yung Il Niño before. Na ganyan noon na nakasakay sila ng chopper tapos bininyagan nila. So kasi that is Bohol Hills or depende sa ang bayan. Like Carmen Hills.
Carmen Hills.
At Bayan Hills, ganyan. But now, yung mga ganyan na magta-transform ng fluorine chocolate, in general, we call lahat chocolate hills.
General.